Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is yearly prediction 2024 for all the Libra to Pisces Ascendant people. In previous videos, we have covered Aries to Virgo Ascendant. In this video, we will talk about Libra to Pisces Ascendant people. How will be the 2024 will be for all the Libra to Pisces Ascendant people astrologically. So first of all, we will talk about Libra Ascendant people. In yearly prediction video, we talk about only four planets: Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu, because these are the planets which change their sign after a long duration of time. So in yearly prediction video, we talk about only these four planets. So first of all, we will talk about Jupiter. For all the Libra ascendant people, Jupiter controls your third house and your sixth house. And right now, Jupiter is moving in the year of 2024 in your seventh house in the sign of Aries. Jupiter will stay in your seventh house till 1st May 2024. After 1st May, Jupiter will move to your eighth house in the sign of Taurus. Third house deal with your communication, your younger siblings is seen from third house, your cousins, neighbors, your childhood friends. How much effort you can put in anything is seen from third house. Your handwriting, your hand skills is seen from third house, and your hand is also seen from third house. Sixth house deal with your court cases, your litigations, your arguments, your fights, your daily routine in the context of your work, your loans, your debt, your competition, your court cases, etc., etc. All of these things is seen from sixth house. Your acute diseases is also seen from sixth house. Health related issues is also seen from sixth house. So right now, third house and sixth house lord in the year of 2024 will be moving in your seventh house till 1st May. So till 1st May, we can expect you will get good result regarding your communication related matter with your cousins, younger siblings, and also we can expect good result regarding your marriage related matter. If you are single right now, then we can expect good proposal from your cousins or your relatives in the year of 2024 till 1st May, because right now your cousin's lord is moving in the house of marriage. If you are already married, then we can expect a great result till 1st May 2024 for your marriage related matter, for your relationships related matter, and your business partnership, because from seventh house we see your business partnership, your marriage, your relationships in general. Also, sixth house lord is moving in your seventh house, and right now Rahu is moving in your house in the sign of Jupiter, and Jupiter is moving in your seventh house, and Rahu is a naturally malefic planet, and sixth house is naturally malefic house. So malefic planets in malefic house perform very well. So in the year of 2024, we can expect great result regarding your competition related matter, regarding your court cases, regarding your litigation. If you have any court cases running in the year of 2024, also we can expect great result regarding your hidden enemies related matter. Means your hidden enemies will be suppressed in the year of 2024 due to the presence of Rahu in your sixth house. So Jupiter will give you good result regarding your sixth house related matter in your seventh house. But there are chances you may have to face time to time argument and confrontation because of sixth house not present in your seventh house. But we cannot expect there is a break in your relationship due to sixth house lord present in your seventh house, because of Rahu present in your sixth house. Rahu will suppress your problem, Rahu will suppress your hidden enemies, and Rahu will suppress your confrontation in the year of 2024 due to presence of Rahu in your sixth house. So we can expect these results from Jupiter till 1st May. After 1st May, when Jupiter will move to your 8th house in the sign of Taurus, then your third house lord, your communication house lord, will be moving in the house of secret, in the house of research, in the house of in-laws. Because 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your research, your secret activity, your sexual activity. So after 1st May, when your third house lord will be moving in your 8th house, then you need to be take care of your communication related matter. Also, there are chances if you are interested into some research studies, or you are doing some post-grad education and doing some research regarding any subject, then we can expect great result for your research and your higher studies related matter, because 8th house deal with research is secretives, and third house lord, communication lord, and your handwriting lord is right now moving in your 8th house. Also, we can expect if you are interested into astrology, tarot card, and all the hidden studies, then we can expect great result in the year of 2024 for all the Libra ascendant people. Also, your sixth house lord will be moving in your eighth house after 1st May 2024. So when sixth house, naturally malefic house lord, will be moving in another naturally malefic house lord, because 6, 8 and 12th house are considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. And malefic house lord perform very well in malefic house because negative always cancels each other out. So when sixth house lord will be moving in your eighth house, then we can expect great result regarding your in-laws related matter, regarding your sudden events. You may encounter many sudden good event in your life in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May 2024. Also, we can expect if you are married, you are a female and married woman, and you are watching this video, so in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May, we can expect growth in your joint accounts with your spouse in the year of 2024 due to the presence of Jupiter in your 8th house. Because from 8th house, Jupiter will also aspect your second house, house of money, house of bank account, house of saving. So we can expect these results from Jupiter in the year of 2024 for all the Libra ascendant people. Now let's talk about aspects of Jupiter. So till 1st May, Jupiter is present in your 7th house. So from 7th house, Jupiter will aspect your 11th house from its 5th aspect. So when Jupiter will aspect your 11th house from 7th house, then we can expect you may encounter very good result regarding your friend circle, regarding your professional network circle, and also we can expect good result regarding your gains, incoming gains. Because from 11th house we see your incoming gains, your hopes and wishes, your fulfillment of hopes and wishes, your friend circle, your professional network circle, your elder siblings. Also in the year of 2024 till 1st May, Jupiter expecting your 11th house, we can expect great growth, great benefit for your elder siblings life in the year of 2024. Also Jupiter will aspect your first house from your 7th house. First house will be you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house. Your journal health, your personality, your fundamental nature is seen from first house. So when Jupiter will aspect your first house, then we can expect great result regarding your fame related matter, because somehow 7th house, 10th house and first house is always connected to your fame related matter, regarding your personality related matter. So when Jupiter will aspect your first house, then we can expect good result regarding your personality related matter, regarding your fame related matter. Also we can expect good result regarding your health and career related matter, because from first house we see your overall aspects of life. So all of these things come into your first house, because first house will be in a strong position till 1st May because of aspects of Jupiter on your first house. Jupiter will also aspect your third house from your 7th house, and third house will be your communication, your younger sibling, your cousin, neighbor, etc., as we discussed previously. So when Jupiter will aspect your third house, its own sign, Sagittarius sign is in your third house. So when Jupiter will aspect its own sign, then we can expect great result regarding your communication related matter, regarding your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends. Also we can expect great result regarding your younger siblings related matter. Also we can expect great result regarding your marriage related matter in the year of 2024, because your third house lord is expecting your third house from your 7th house of marriage. Also third house deal with your efforts. So in the year of 2024, your efforts lord is expecting your third house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your efforts related matter. In whatever work you will put your effort, you will get benefit because of Jupiter aspect in your third house. So we can expect these results from Jupiter aspect till 1st May 2024. After 1st May, when Jupiter will move to your 8th house, so from 8th house, Jupiter will aspect your 12th house. So 12th house deal with your expenses, losses, isolations, your foreign settlement related matter, your long-term investment is seen from 12th house, paranormal activities, sleep pattern, your dreams is also seen from 12th house. Your subconscious mind is also seen from 12th house. So when from 8th house, Jupiter will aspect your 12th house. So as we discussed previously, in 8th house, Jupiter will give you good result regarding your research related matter, regarding your secret studies, regarding your secrets. So when Jupiter will aspect your 12th house from your 8th house, then we can expect great result regarding your studies related matter, because from 12th house we also see your hidden secrets, hidden things is also seen from 12th house. So from 8th house, when Jupiter will aspect your 12th house, then we can expect great result regarding your search related matter. Also Jupiter will somehow incline you toward spirituality in the year of 2024 because of Jupiter aspect from your 8th house to your 12th house. Also right now Ketu is moving in your 12th house. That's why we can expect you may try to go into isolation a lot of time after 1st May 2024, because from 12th house we see your isolation and spirituality, and right now Ketu, planet of spirituality, in your 12th house, and also aspects of Jupiter from your 8th house to your 12th house, then we can expect you will definitely incline towards spirituality. You may also go to a foreign trip in the year of 2024 after 1st May 2024. Also, Jupiter will aspect your second house from your 8th house. So, as we discussed previously, you may encounter a lot of good result regarding your joint account with your spouse. Also, we can expect good result regarding your in-laws related matter if you're married right now, because from 8th house we see your in-laws, and from in-laws house Jupiter expecting your second house of money, house of savings. So also we can expect good result regarding your savings and your money related matter. Also, second house deal with your family related matter. Due to aspects of Jupiter, we can expect good result regarding your family related matter. Also, we can expect some positive event after 1st May regarding your family members related matter in the year of 2024. Jupiter will also aspect your 4th house from its 9th aspect from your 8th house. So 4th house deal with your home, your physical home is seen from 4th house, your mother's relationship is seen from 4th house, your mother's health, your home, your properties, your vehicle, your comfort in life, your peace of mind is also seen from 4th house. So when Jupiter will aspect your 4th house after 1st May 2024 from your 8th house, then, as we discussed previously, due to aspects of Jupiter on 12th and 4th house, we can expect Jupiter may take you into foreign land for some reason. Also, we can expect great result regarding your unexpected gains in the year of 2024 regarding your properties related matter, regarding your vehicle related matter. So, we can expect these results from Jupiter aspect in the year of 2024 for all the Libra ascendant people. Now let's talk about Saturn. For all the Libra ascendant people, Saturn controls your 4th house and your 5th house. And right now Saturn is moving in your 5th house. 4th house deal with your home, your physical home is seen from 4th house, your mother's relationship, your home environment is seen from 4th house, your properties, your vehicle, your conveniences is seen from 4th house. Your how much comfort, how much peace, how much stability do you have in your mind is also seen from 4th house. And fifth house will with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from 5th house, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend is also seen from 5th house. So in the year of 2024, Saturn, your 4th house and 5th house Lord is moving in your 5th house. So we can expect great result regarding your 4th house related matter in the year of 2024, because Saturn will stay till the whole year of 2024 in your 5th house. But Saturn may suppress your ability, your mental abilities. You may have to face difficulty in your education related matter and in your love relationship, because Saturn is a naturally malefic planet. Although Saturn in its own sign, that's why I'm saying Saturn will not give you more bad result, but Saturn will give you some restriction regarding your education and your love relationship and your fun activities in your 5th house. Rest, we can expect great result regarding your 4th house related matter and your 5th house related matter. Also, Saturn will make you focus, strategize, more hardworking regarding your education in the year of 2024, due to presence of Saturn in the house of your mind, in the house of your mental ability. Saturn is a slow moving planet. Saturn cause restrictions. Saturn shows delays. So you may have to face delays regarding your love relationship in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect you may have to encounter a lot of difficulty regarding your studies, and you may have to face some breaks in your education in the year of 2024. So we can expect these results from Saturn in the year of 2024 for all the Libra ascendant people. Now let's talk about aspects of Saturn. As we know, Saturn has 3 aspects. Saturn aspect 3rd places from itself, Saturn aspect 7 places away from itself, and Saturn aspect 10 places away from itself. So right now from 5th house, Saturn will aspect your 7th house, where Jupiter is already moving till 1st May. So third aspects of Saturn will give you some hard result regarding your marriage related matter and your love relationship, as we discussed previously, because Saturn is looking your expecting your house of relationship from your 5th house, from your love relationship house. So we can expect you may have to face some restriction and some instability, but due to Jupiter present in your 7th house, we can expect your relationship will not break. Your relationship will be smooth in the year of 2024 till 1st May. But after 1st May, when Jupiter will move from your 7th house, then you need to be take care of communication related matter with your spouse and your business partnership, because Rahu is already moving in your 6th house, and 6th house Lord 6th house 12 places away from your 7th house, and Saturn will also aspect your 7th house alone after 1st May, when Jupiter will move from your 7th house to your 8th house. Saturn will also aspect your 11th house from your 5th house. So 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional circle, your elder siblings, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of some wishes. So due to aspects of Jupiter on your 11th house till 1st May, We can expect you will also get good result regarding your friend circle, regarding your professional circle. Also, you will encounter a lot of good people as a friend in the year of 2024 due to mutual aspects of Jupiter and Saturn on your 11th house. Also, we can expect you will get good result, good gains regarding money matters if you are into in some business related matter, because from the house of business Jupiter is expecting your house of gain. Also Saturn your fifth house Lord, expecting your 11th house. So that's why we can expect good result till 1st May. After 1st May, then we can expect neutral result regarding your 11th house related matter because of aspects of Saturn on your 11th house. Also after 1st May, you need to be take care of your friendships related matter. You may have to face some betrayal from your friendship because Saturn is a naturally malefic planet, and Saturn will look in your 11th house after 1st May 2024 alone. Saturn will also look at your second house from your fifth house. Second house deal with your family lineage, your family history seen from second house, your money matters, your savings, your ornaments, jewelry, your speech is seen from second house, your food intake habits are also seen from second house, your family matters is also seen from second house. So when Saturn will aspect your second house from your fifth house, then we can expect good result regarding your family related matter after 1st May. After 1st May, Jupiter will also aspect your second house from your 8th house. So after 1st May, we can expect great result regarding your family related matter, regarding your savings related matter due to mutual aspects of Jupiter and Saturn on your second house. So before that, you need to be take care of your family related matter and your savings related matter due to aspects of Saturn on your second house. But right now, Saturn is moving in its own sign. That's why we can expect some neutral result regarding your second house related matter till 1st May. After 1st May, when Jupiter and Saturn, both the planets will mutually aspect your second house, then we can expect great result regarding your money related matter, regarding your family related matter. And as we discussed previously in Jupiter section, you may encounter some positive event regarding your family members related matter in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May. So we can expect these results from the aspects of Saturn in the year of 2024 for all the Libra Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Rahu and Ketu. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Rahu is right now moving in your 6th house and Ketu is moving in your 12th house. First of all, we will talk about Rahu. Rahu is just moved from your 7th house to your 6th house after 30th October 2023, and in the year of 2024, Rahu will present in your 6th house. So as we discussed previously in Jupiter section, Rahu is a naturally malefic planet. 6th house also considered as naturally malefic house because from 6th house we see your enemies, your hidden enemies, your court cases, competition, litigation, argument, fights, etc., etc. So presence of Rahu in your 6th house will give you definitely good result regarding your competition, regarding your court cases related matter, and regarding your hidden enemies and enemies related matter. Rahu will suppress all the negativity in your life in your 6th house because from 6th house we see your difficulties, your arguments, your fights, etc., etc., and Rahu is right now moving in your 6th house. So Rahu will suppress your hidden enemy, your court cases, your litigation in your 6th house in the year of 2024. Also, if in debt right now, so you will be able to pay your debt and loan back in the year of 2024 for all the Libra ascendant people. Now let's talk about Ketu. Ketu is right now moving in your 12th house in the sign of Virgo. Ketu is just moved after 30th October 2023 from your first house to your 12th house. 12th house deal with isolation, separation, your losses, your expenses, your foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house. Your health related matter is also seen from 12th house. Your dream, your sleep pattern, and hidden things is also seen from 12th house. So when Ketu is moving in your 12th house, Ketu will definitely try to make you take interest into some spirituality related matter because after first May, Jupiter will also aspecting your 12th house, and Jupiter and Ketu is a very spiritual planet. Ketu represents separation, detachment, isolation, and 12th house also represent isolation. That's why we were saying Ketu in your 12th house may take you into some different foreign trip in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May 2024 when Jupiter will aspect from your 8th house to your 12th house. Also, you need to be take care of your expenses and losses. Ketu may increase your expenses in the year of 2024 in your 12th house, but definitely you will get good result regarding your spirituality and isolation related matter if you are into some spirituality matter. And your foreign settlement related matter, Ketu may give you foreign travel in your 12th house, because Jupiter is also aspecting from your 8th house to 12th house and 4th house, your homeland. So we can expect these results for all the Libra ascendant people in the year of 2024. Now let's talk about Scorpio ascendant people. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Jupiter controls your second house and your fifth house. And right now Jupiter is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Aries. In yearly prediction videos, we only talk about four planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, because these are the planets which change their sign after a long duration of time. So in the year of 2024, Jupiter will be moving in your sixth house till 1st May 2024 in the sign of Aries. Second house will be your family lineage, your family history is seen from second house, your family matters, your money matters, your savings, your jewelry, your ornament, your speech, and your food intake habits are also seen from second house. Your early upbringing is also seen from second house. Fifth house will be your children, your love relationship, your early education till college life is seen from fifth house. How smart you are, how genius you are is seen from fifth house. Your girlfriend, boyfriend is also seen from fifth house. In the year of 2024, your second house and fifth house lord will be moving in your sixth house till 1st May. So sixth house will be the conflicts, your argument, your daily routine is seen from sixth house in the context of your work. Also, sixth house will be your court cases, litigation, argument, fights, and your hidden enemies also seen from sixth house. Your strength to withstand your enemies in your life is also seen from sixth house. So presence of Jupiter in your sixth house will give you good result regarding your second house related matter, because second house, sixth house, and 10th house always connected to your money matter and your work. Because from sixth house we see your daily routine in the context of your work. From 10th house we see your actual work, your career, and from second house we see where the money is coming from in your bank account. So sixth, second, and 10th house is always connected to work related matter. So presence of second house in your sixth house till 1st May, we can expect great result regarding your money related matter, regarding your work related matter, and your career related matter. Jupiter will also perform very well. You're paying loan back in the year of 2024 if you are in some debt in the year of 2024 till 1st May. But Jupiter in your sixth house will not give you good result regarding your competition related matter, your hidden enemies related matter, because natural quality of Jupiter is Jupiter expand everything. So in your sixth house, Jupiter will also expand the negative quality of your sixth house. So you need to be take care of your court cases and your enemies in the year of 2024, especially till 1st May. Jupiter also controls your fifth house, and fifth house lord is moving in your sixth house. Fifth house will be your children, your love relationship, your education, etc., etc. So in the year of 2024, till Jupiter is moving in your sixth house, you need to be take care of your love relationship, your education related matter, and if you have children, then you need to be also take care of your health in the year of 2024. After 1st May, when Jupiter will move to your seventh house in the sign of Taurus, then we can expect good result regarding your love relationship, regarding your children's related matter, regarding your education related matter. Also, your second house lord will be moving in your seventh house. We can also expect good result regarding your marriage related matter if you are single right now, because your second house lord, house of family lord, will be moving in the house of marriage. If you are single, though, we can expect great proposal and great result regarding your marriage related matter. Also, we can expect great result regarding your fame related matter, because as we discussed previously, sixth house, 10th house, and second house is always connected to your work related matter, and work related matter lord is. Now let's talk about aspects of Jupiter. So from sixth house, Jupiter will aspect your 10th house from its fifth aspect. So when Jupiter will aspect your 10th house, as we discussed previously, we can expect great result regarding your career related matter, regarding your work related matter. You may also get some promotion and increment in the year of 2024, especially before 1st May 2024. Jupiter is moving in your sixth house. Jupiter will also aspect your 12th house. 12th house deal with your isolation, your hospitalization, your expenditure, and foreign settlement related matter. So when Jupiter from the house of disease aspecting your 12th house, then you need to be take care of your health related matter. So if you are dealing with some health issues like Jupiter represent your liver and pancreas. So Jupiter is right now moving in the house of disease. So if you are facing any difficulty regarding these two organs in your life, so you should be very careful regarding your health related matter. You may have to face some hospitalization and visit. You may have to face some hospitalization in the year of 2024 if you are facing some disease issue and some disease problem in your life. Jupiter will also aspect your second house from your sixth house. So we can expect Jupiter will perform very well regarding your second house and 10th house related matter in the year of 2024 due to Jupiter aspects on your seventh house. Second house also deal with your money matter and your family related matter. So as we discussed previously, when Jupiter will aspect your second house, there are chances you may encounter lot of gains regarding your money related matter, and you will get a lot of opportunity to save money in the year of 2024 due to Jupiter aspects on your seventh house. After first May, when Jupiter will move from your sixth house to your seventh house. So from seventh house, Jupiter will aspect your 11th house. And right now, Ketu is already moving in your 11th house. So after first May, when Jupiter will aspect your 11th house, then we can expect some relief regarding your problem which you will be facing regarding your 11th house related matter due to presence of Ketu in your 11th house. Aspects of Jupiter will try to give you support regarding your friend circle, regarding your professional circle, your gains related matter, incoming gains seen from 11th house, and your hopes and wishes. Also, Jupiter will aspect your first house from your seventh house. First house will be you, your personality, your overall aspects of life, and your general health is seen from first house. So when Jupiter will aspect your first house from your seventh house, then we can expect great result regarding your fame related matter, regarding your personality related matter, and your health related matter after first May. Before first May, you need to be take care of your health related matter till Jupiter is moving in your sixth house. Jupiter will also aspect your third house from your seventh house. Third house will be your communication, your younger siblings, your cousins, neighbors, your childhood friends is also seen from third house. Your effort, how much effort you can put in anything is seen from third house. Your handwriting, and your head skills is also seen from third house. So when Jupiter will aspect your third house, then we can expect great result regarding your communication related matter with your cousins, neighbors, and childhood friends. You may arrange a lot of get together with your friend circle and childhood friends in the year of 2024, especially after first May. Also, we can expect your good result regarding your efforts related matter. In third house, we also see your effort, how much effort you can put in anything. And right now, Jupiter in the year of 2024, Jupiter will expecting your third house after 1st May 2024 till the whole year of 2024. So we can expect great result regarding your efforts related matter. You will get good result in any way you will put effort because of Jupiter aspect on your third house. So we can expect these results from the aspects of Jupiter in the year of 2024 for all the Scorpio ascendant people. Now let's talk about Saturn. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Saturn controls your fourth house and your third house. And right now, your third house Lord is moving in your fourth house in its own sign, in the sign of Aquarius. Third house, as we discussed previously, third house will be your younger brother and sister. Third house will be your communication. Third house will be your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends. Your efforts is seen from third house. Your handwriting is also seen from third house. Fourth house will be your homeland, your home, your mother. Your mother's relationship is seen from fourth house. Your comfort, your properties, your vehicle, how much conveniences you have in your life is also seen from fourth house. So when your fourth house Lord is in a strong position in the year of 2024, and Saturn will stay in your fourth house till the whole year of 2024. So we can expect in the year of 2024, you will get good result regarding your homeland related matter. If you are into politics, because Saturn represents politics and fourth house also represents domestic politics. So right now, your fourth house Lord is in a strong position. So if you are into politics or you are taking part into some election, then we can expect great result regarding your politics related matter in the year of 2023. Also, Saturn represent construction work, and right now moving in your homeland. So we can expect Saturn will give you opportunity to build your home by your own choice in the year of 2024, because Saturn represent construction, and right now your third house of efforts Lord is moving in your properties, in your home house. So we can expect these results from Saturn in the year of 2024. Also, Saturn controls your fourth house, and fourth house will be your mother's relationship, your comfort in life. So fourth house Lord is moving in your fourth house. That's why we can expect you will get good result regarding your properties, regarding your conveniences related matter. Saturn will also give you foreign travel in the year of 2024, because third house will be short distance travel, and fourth house somehow connected to long distance travel, because from fourth house we see your homeland, and third house Lord is moving in your fourth house, and Saturn is a naturally malefic planet. So presence of naturally malefic planet in your homeland, we can expect Saturn may take you into foreign land for some reason, for some time in the year of 2024, due to presence of Saturn in your fourth house. So we can expect these results from Saturn in the year of 2024 for all the Scorpio ascendant people. Now let's talk about aspects of Saturn. Saturn has three aspects. Saturn aspect third place is away from itself. Saturn aspect seventh place is away from itself, and Saturn aspect 10th place is away from itself. So from fourth house, Saturn will aspect your sixth house from its third aspect, and Jupiter is right now moving in your sixth house. So we can expect you may have to encounter a lot of difficulty as we discussed because of aspect of Saturn from your fourth house to your sixth house due to disease related matter as we discussed previously in Jupiter section. Also we can expect you need to be take care of your hidden enemies and your court cases related matter, especially after 1st May when Jupiter will move from your sixth house, because third aspect of Saturn work in that manner, because third aspect of Saturn is not a very good aspect on your sixth house. So after 1st May you need to be take care of your hidden enemies, your court cases, competition related matter, etc, etc. Saturn will also aspect your 10th from its 7th aspect. So when Saturn will aspect your 10th house from your 4th house, then we can expect great result regarding your work related matter. Saturn will make you do hard work in the year of 2024 because Saturn is aspecting your 10th house, house of work, house of career. Saturn will also make you encounter some superiors in your career in the year of 2024 because Saturn represents old things. Saturn is a slow moving planet. So Saturn will make you more responsible, more focused towards your career and your work related matter. Saturn will also aspect your first house from its 10th aspect. Saturn aspect on your first house in the year of 2024 will make you mature, focus and more responsible in the year of 2024. Also Saturn will give you more responsibility regarding your home related matter, regarding your mother's related matter, because Saturn is aspecting your first house from your fourth house, also aspecting your 10th house. So you will get a lot of responsibilities in the year of 2024, especially before 1st May, because after 1st May, Jupiter will also aspect your first house, then you will get some relief regarding all the responsibility, all the restriction you will be facing due to Saturn aspects on your first house and your 10th house. So we can expect these results from aspects of Saturn in the year of 2024 for all the Scorpio ascendant people. Now let's talk about Rahu and Ketu. First of all, we will talk about Rahu. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Rahu is right now moving in your fifth house, and Rahu is just moved from your sixth house to your fifth house after 30th October 2023. Until the whole year of 2024, Rahu will stay in your fifth house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education, your mental abilities, your planning ability, your fun activities, etc. etc. Rahu is a naturally malefic planet. So presence of Rahu in your fifth house in the year of 2023 give you a lot of disturbance regarding your education related matter, regarding your love relationship, regarding your fiance, girlfriend, boyfriend related matter. But Rahu will give you good result regarding your fun activities because Rahu perform very well regarding your fun activities in your fifth house. But Rahu will detach you from your education. Rahu will distract you from your education, and your love relationship may give you break in your, give you heartbreak if you are in relationship. So you need to take care of these matters in your fifth house. Rahu also give you stubbornness in your fifth house because your mental abilities is seen from fifth house, and Rahu is a planet of stubbornness. So Rahu may give you stubbornness in your mind in the year of 2024. So we can expect these results from Rahu in the year of 2024 for all the Scorpio ascendant people. Also, if you have children, then you need to be take care of your children's health in the year of 2024. You may get some difficulties regarding your children's related matter. Now let's talk about Ketu. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Ketu is right now moving in your 11th house, and Ketu is just moved from your 12th house to your 11th house after 30th October 2023 and will stay in your 11th house till the whole year of 2024. 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional circle, your siblings, your gains in life is seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house, etc. etc. So right now Ketu is moving in your 11th house, so Ketu will may try to isolate you from your society and your circumstances, because from 11th house we also see your society related matter, your community related matter. The work you do for your community and society is also seen from 11th house, and Ketu is moving in your 11th house. Ketu will also separate you from your friend circle and professional network circle, because Ketu represents separation, and right now Ketu is moving in your friend circle and professional network house. Also presence of Ketu in your 11th house make you isolated from the outer world, because from 11th house we see your socialism, we see your community, and from in the house of community in the house of socialism. Ketu, planet of separation, planet of detachment, planet of isolation is moving right now. So we can expect in the year of 2024, you need to be take care of these matter. You need to be take care of your isolation. You need try not to leave your friendship in the year of 2024 and your professional network circle. This will give you some bad result if you do that. So we can expect these results from Ketu in the year of 2024 for all the Scorpio ascendant people from the all the planets. Now let's talk about Sagittarius ascendant people. In yearly prediction video, we only talk about four planets: Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, and Ketu, because these are the planets which changes their sign in a long duration of time. First of all, we will talk about Jupiter. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Jupiter control your first house, means your ascendant, and control your fourth house. And right now, Jupiter is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Aries in the year of 2024 till 1st May 2024. After 1st May, Jupiter will move to your sixth house in the sign of Taurus. First house deal with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house, your general health, your general fundamental nature is seen from first house, your overall aspects of life and general health is also seen from first house. Fourth house deal with your mother's health is seen from fourth house, your relationship with your mother is seen from fourth house, your homeland, your physical properties, your vehicles, your comfort in life is also seen from fourth house, your conveniences in life is also seen from fourth house. So right now, first house and fourth house Lord is moving in your fifth house in the year of 2024 till 1st May. So till 1st May, we can expect you will get great result regarding your love relationship, regarding your early education if you are in education life. Also, we can expect great result regarding your fun activities. If you are interested into some sports and you are playing some sports on regular basis, then we can expect great result regarding your sports and fun activities in the year of 2024 due to presence of Jupiter in your fifth house. Jupiter will also expand your mental abilities and your planning ability because Jupiter naturally expand everything. So right now Jupiter is moving in your fifth house, so Jupiter will expand the qualities of your fifth house and it will be proved very beneficial for you in the year of 2024. Jupiter also controls your fourth house, and fourth house Lord is moving in your fifth house, means second place is away from itself. So we can expect great result regarding your property related matter, regarding your relationship with your mother. Also, we can expect great result regarding your vehicle related matter in the year of 2024. Fourth house also deal with your emotions, and emotions Lord moving in the house of love relationship. So we can expect great result regarding your love relationship related matter, regarding your girlfriend, boyfriend, and fiance related matter till 1st May 2020. But Rahu is moving in your fourth house. Rahu give you some disturbance regarding your mother's health and your relationship of your mother. Maybe your mother will go to some foreign land in the year of 2024 because Rahu represents foreign thing and present in your fourth house. So you need to be take care of your mother's health, or your mother maybe go to some foreign land in the year of 2024. But presence of Rahu may give you some disturbance regarding your fourth house related matter. So you need to take care of your mother's health in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May when Jupiter will move from your fifth house to your sixth house, in the house of diseases, in the house of conflict, in the house of court cases, in the house of litigation, in the house of loans, in the house of daily routine, in the concepts of your work. So when Jupiter will move to your sixth house after 1st May, so your fourth house Lord will be moving in your sixth house. Sixth house, so you need to be take care of your mother's health and your relationship with your mother. Also, we can expect Jupiter will also expand the negative quality of your sixth house because sixth house is a naturally malefic house in astrology, and Jupiter expands everything. So Jupiter will be moving in your sixth house, so you need to be take care of your hidden enemies, your court cases, your litigation. But Jupiter will help you to pay your loans back in the year of 2024 in your sixth house. Also, Jupiter will prove very beneficial for your work related matter after 1st May 2024 when Jupiter will move to your sixth house for your work related matter, because sixth, second, and 10th house is always connected to your work. So we can expect these results from Jupiter in the year of 2024 for all the Sagittarius ascendant people. Now let's talk about aspects of Jupiter. So till 1st May, Jupiter is moving in your fifth house. So from fifth house, Jupiter will aspect your ninth house, your 11th house, and your first house. So when Jupiter will aspect your ninth house from your fifth house, then we can expect great result regarding your luck related matter, regarding your education related matter. Also, ninth house will be your father, teachings of your father, your mentors, your legal matters is seen from ninth house, your guider, your advisor, your lawyers, your second marriage, your long distance travel, and religious matter is also seen from ninth house. So when Jupiter is aspecting your ninth house from your fifth house, so we can expect Jupiter will make you more religious, more inclined toward religious activities and philosophical activities, because ninth house also deals with philosophy. Jupiter will make you more philosophical and more religious in the year of 2024, especially till 1st May 2024, till Jupiter is moving in your fifth house. Jupiter will also enhance your luck related matter in the year of 2024, because Jupiter is aspecting in the house of your luck, your ninth house. Jupiter may give you foreign travel regarding your religious activities in the year of 2024. You may go to pilgrimage in the year of 2024, especially before 1st May. Jupiter will also aspect your 11th house from your 5th house. So you will get great result regarding your gains related matter, regarding your professional network circle, regarding your PR, regarding your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes. That's why we were saying you will get great result regarding your love relationship, regarding your fun activities and your sports related matter. If you are interested into some sports, because Jupiter is aspecting from your 5th house to your house of hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes, and it will be give you very good result regarding your money related matter as well. Jupiter will also aspect your first house. Means your first house is the Sagittarius sign. Means your ascendant is Sagittarius or Saturn. So Jupiter will aspect its own sign to your first house. So we can expect great result regarding your personality, regarding your health related matter in the year of 2024. Jupiter will also give you some fame, because Jupiter from your fifth house aspecting your ninth house of luck, and 11th house of game, and also aspecting your first house means your ascendant expecting you. Also, we can expect great result before 1st May regarding your health related matter. After 1st May, Jupiter will move to your 6th house. So from 6th house, Jupiter will aspect your 10th house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your career, your profession, etc., etc. Your superiors and your authority is also seen from 10th house. So when Jupiter will aspect your 10th house from your 6th house, we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, because as we discussed previously, 6th, 10th and 2nd house is always connected to your work related matter and your earnings. So when Jupiter will aspect your 10th house from 6th house, we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, regarding your career related matter. You may also get some increment and promotion in the year of 2024, but Ketu is right now moving in the year of 2024 in your 10th house. Ketu will try to detach you from your work related matter. So before 1st metal, Jupiter is not expecting your 10th house. You need to be take care of your work related matter. You may have to face some disappointment and some disturbance from your superiors and your co-worker in the year of 2024. But after 1st May, when Jupiter will expecting your 10th house, then we can expect some relief and some growth regarding your work related matter in the year of 2024. Jupiter will suppress the negativity of Ketu in your 10th house when Jupiter will aspect your 10th house. Jupiter will also aspect your 12th house from its 6th house. So as we discussed previously, you will be able to pay your loans back in the year of 2024, because from 6th house we see your loans, your debt, and from 12th house we see your expenses, your losses. So you will lose some money to pay your loans back. So we can expect these there, because Jupiter is a positive planet. Also, you need to be take care of your disease and your health related matter, because from 12th house we also see your hospitalization and your diseases, and 6th house also deal with diseases. So if you are facing some health related issues, especially some stomach related issues, so you need to be take care of your health related matter before 1st May 2024, till Jupiter is moving in your 5th house. Jupiter will also aspect your 2nd house from your 6th house. So when Jupiter will aspect your 2nd house, then we can expect great result regarding your money related matter, because from 2nd house we see your savings, your money matters, your family matters, your speech, your food intake habits are also seen from 2nd house. So from Jupiter, so when Jupiter will aspect your 2nd house from your 6th house, then we can expect great result regarding your money related matter, regarding your savings related matter in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect some positive event in your family members related matter in the year of 2024. Especially after 1st May 2024, when Jupiter will move to your 6th house, because from 6th house Jupiter will aspect your 10th, 12th and 2nd house. So we can expect these results from Jupiter's aspect in the year of 2024 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant People. Now let's talk about Saturn. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Saturn controls your second house and your third house. And right now, Saturn is moving in its own sign in your third house. Saturn will stay in the whole year of 2024 in your third house. Second house will be your family lineage, your family history, your family values, your upbringing, your early upbringing, especially seen from second house, your speech, your food intake habit, and your family matters also seen from second house. Third house will be your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your communication ability seen from third house. How much effort you can put in anything is seen from third house, and your hands and handwriting is also seen from third house. So in the year of 2024, Saturn is moving in your third house. So in the year of 2024, we can expect you will have to put a lot of effort in your work because Ketu is moving in your 10th house, and third house, which represent efforts, is right now strong, and Saturn is moving in your third house. So we can expect Saturn will make you more responsible, more hardworking, and you may have to put a lot of effort in your work, but you will also get revenue of that effort due to Jupiter's aspect after 1st May on your 10th house, because Saturn will make you do hard work, and Saturn will also give you revenue because Saturn is moving in its own sign in your third house. Second house Lord is moving in the third house, so we can expect good result regarding your family related matter, regarding your saving related matter. But Saturn is a slow moving planet. Saturn will not give you immediately a lot of saving, a lot of wealth. You will have to wait, and Saturn will give you slowly increase your savings in the year of 2024 and give you good result regarding your younger brother and sister's life in the year of 2024. Now let's talk about aspects of Saturn. As we know, Saturn has three aspects. Saturn will aspect third places away from itself, Saturn aspect seven places away from itself, and Saturn aspect 10 places away from itself. So from third house, Saturn will aspect your fifth house. So till 1st May, Jupiter is moving in your fifth house. So till 1st May, we cannot expect bad result regarding your fifth house related matter. But after 1st May, you need to be take care of your love relationship, your children's health, and your education related matter, especially your early education. Saturn will suppress your fun activity after 1st May because Saturn is affecting your third house, and Saturn represents restriction, sorrow, responsibility. All the hard work is represented by Saturn. So when Saturn will aspect your fifth house after 1st May, you need to be take care of your fifth house related matter. Before that, we can expect good result because of presence of Jupiter in your fifth house. Saturn will also aspect your ninth house from your third house. Ninth house, as we discussed previously, ninth house will be the father, teachings of your father, your long distance travel, your religious matter, your philosophical matter is also seen from ninth house, your lawyers, your advisor, your second marriage is also seen from seventh house. So when Saturn will aspect your ninth house, till 1st May, we can expect you will get great result, you will get good result due to Saturn and Jupiter mutual aspect on your ninth house. But when Jupiter will move from your fifth house, then Saturn will alone aspecting your ninth house. And ninth house will be the father, teachings of your father, your higher education, your post-grad education is seen from ninth house. Saturn may give you foreign travel regarding your religious matter, means you may go on to pilgrimages in the year of 2024. Saturn will make you hardworking and sober in the year of 2024 because of aspects of Saturn on your ninth house. If you are in some post-grad education, then Saturn will give you good result regarding your studies related matter because Saturn will make you more focused towards your studies in the year of 2024. Saturn will also aspect your 12th house from your third house. So third house may represent efforts and 12th house represent expenses and losses. So you need to be take care of your expenses and losses. So you need to be take care of your efforts, expenses and losses before 1st May. Before 1st May, Jupiter is not expecting your 12th house. But after 1st May, Jupiter will also expect your 12th house. Then you will get some relief regarding your expenses, losses. Also, your effort may go in for 1st May till Jupiter is not expecting along with Saturn to your 12th house. You may have to face loss of efforts. Mean you may put efforts in unnecessary thing in the year of 2024 before Jupiter is expecting your 12th house. But after 1st May, when Jupiter and Saturn both will be looking to your 12th house, then we can expect great result regarding your spirituality related matter, regarding your foreign travel related matter. Also, we can expect great result regarding your expenditure expenditure and your losses related matters. Saturn and Jupiter, both planets, will give you expenses and losses, but in a good way. Like as we discussed previously, Jupiter will give you expenses to pay your loans back, to pay your debt back. That's why we can expect great result regarding your Saturn aspects on your year of 2024 for all the Sagittarius ascendant people. Now let's talk about Rahu and Ketu. First of all, we will talk about Rahu. So in the year of 2024, Rahu is moving in your fourth house, and Rahu is just moved from your fifth house to your fourth house after 30th October 2023 and will stay in your fourth house till the whole year of 2024. Rahu is a naturally malefic planet and right now moving in your fourth house. Fourth house, as we discussed previously, fourth house will be your mother, your home, your properties, your vehicles, your home, land related, all the matter is seen from fourth house, your conveniences related matter is seen from fourth house. So when Rahu is moving in your fourth house, first of all, we can expect Rahu definitely will give you some foreign travel in the year of 2024 or change of residence in the year of 2020. You may change your house in the year of 2021 due to presence of Rahu in your fourth house. Also, Rahu may give you some disturbance regarding your mother's health, as we discussed previously in Jupiter section. Also, we can expect you may have to feel discomfort regarding your emotions related matter due to any reason because of presence of Rahu in your fourth house. Because we also see your emotions from your fourth house, but Rahu definitely give you good result regarding your politics related matter if you are interested into politics of your homeland. Also, Rahu will give you good result regarding your foreign travel related matter in the year of 2024. Now let's talk about Ketu. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Ketu is right now moving in your 10th house, and Ketu is just moved from your 11th house to your 10th house after 30th October 2023. And in the whole year of 2024, Ketu will stay in your 10th house. Ketu is also a naturally malefic planet. Ketu represents separation, Ketu represents isolation, Ketu represents disturbance. So Ketu is right now moving in the house of your work, in the house of your career, in the house of superior, in the house of bosses, in the house of authority. So Ketu may try to separate you from your work. Ketu may give you some disturbance. Ketu may give you some argument, some confrontation from your bosses and co-worker in the year of 2024. But you don't need to worry a lot because after 1st May, Jupiter will move to your 6th house, and from 6th house, Jupiter will also aspect your 10th house. So Jupiter will suppress the negative quality of Ketu in your 10th house after 1st May. So we can expect these results from all the planets in the year of 2024 for all the Sagittarius ascendant people. Now let's talk about Capricorn Ascendant. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Jupiter controls your 12th house and your 3rd house, and right now Jupiter is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Aries. In yearly prediction videos, we only talk about 4 planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, because these are the 4 planets which changes their sign in a long duration of time. So in yearly prediction video, we will talk about only these 4 planets. So Jupiter controls your 12th house and your 3rd house, and right now Jupiter is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Aries. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your foreign settlement credit matter is in from 12th house, your long-term investment, your spirituality related matter, your sleep pattern, your dream, hidden things is also seen from 12th house along with 8th house. Third house deal with your communication ability is seen from 3rd house, your cousins, neighbors, your childhood friend is seen from 3rd house, your ability to do efforts in anything in your work is also seen from 3rd house. So right now 3rd house and 12th house lord is moving in your 12th house. So right now your 3rd house and 12th house lord is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Aries. So we can expect in the year of 2024 till 1st May 2024, because Jupiter is present in your 4th house till 1st May 2024. After 1st May, Jupiter will move to your 9th house in the sign of Taurus. So before 1st May, till Jupiter is moving in your 4th house, then we can expect Jupiter may take you into foreign land and in the year of 2024, because your 12th house lord, foreign settlement lord, is moving in your homeland, means in the house of your home, in the house of your homeland. Also 12th house deal with your mother's health, so we can expect good result regarding your mother's health and your relationship with your mother in the year of 2024 due to presence of Jupiter in your 4th house. Also we can expect you will renovate your property, or you will buy some new property and big property in the year of 2023 also, and same we can expect for your vehicles in the year of 2024. 4th house also deal with your emotions, your peace. So presence of Jupiter will give you a lot of comfort, a lot of conveniences regarding your fourth house related matter in the year of 2024. Jupiter also controls your third house, and right now third house lord is also moving in your fourth house. That's why third house also deals with your short distance travel. So right now your third house lord is moving in your fourth house. So Jupiter may create a situation in your life you may have to travel abroad, or you may have to go into a multiple travels in the year of 2024. Also third house deal with your younger brother and sister, and right now your third house lord is moving in your fourth house in the year of 2024, especially till 1st May 2024. Till 1st May, we can expect you will get good result regarding your communication related matter, regarding your cousins, brother, especially your younger brothers and sisters in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect growth in their life regarding your younger brother sisters' life in the year of 2024, because your third house lord is moving second places away from itself. After 1st May 2024, Jupiter will move to your fifth house in the sign of Taurus. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education till college life. Till college life education is seen from fifth house. Your girlfriend, boyfriend, your love relationship is also seen from fifth house. So when your third house lord will be moving in your fifth house, then we can expect good result regarding your children's related matter if you have children right now. Also, we can expect good result regarding your love relationship, regarding your fun activities. If you're interested in some sports, then Jupiter will give you good result regarding your sports related matter. Also, Jupiter represents expansion, and Jupiter will expand your mental abilities in your fifth house. So Jupiter will give you good result in your studies as well. Also, Jupiter will give you good result regarding your love relationship as we discussed previously. So we can expect these results in the year of 2024 from Jupiter for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. Now let's talk about aspects of Jupiter. Jupiter has three aspects. First of all, Jupiter aspect fifth places away from itself, Jupiter aspect seven places away from itself, and Jupiter aspect nine places away from itself. So from fourth house, Jupiter will aspect your 12th house, your 10th house, and your 8th house. First of all, we will talk about Jupiter fifth aspect on your 8th house. So when from fourth house, Jupiter will aspect your 8th house will be your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life, your in-laws related matter, your joint account with your spouse is also seen from 8th house. So when Jupiter will aspect your 8th house in the year of 2024 till 1st May, we can expect Jupiter may take you suddenly into foreign land as we discussed previously, because your 12th house lord is moving in your 4th house, in your house of home, in the house of homeland, and Jupiter is expecting from your 4th house to a sudden event. So Jupiter may take you suddenly into foreign land due to any reason. Also, we can expect good result regarding your in-laws related matter. We can expect also a positive event in your in-laws family if you are married right now. Also, we can expect good result regarding your research studies if you are in post-grade education or doing some research studies, because right now Ketu is as well is also moving in your 9th house in the sign of higher education, and Jupiter is expecting your 8th house. So we can expect good result regarding your research studies in the year of 2024. From 4th house, Jupiter will also aspect your 10th house. So 10th house deal with your work environment, your authority in life, your bosses, your superiors is also seen from 10th house. Your fame, your how far you can go in your career is also seen from 10th house. So when Jupiter from 4th house expecting your 10th house in the year of 2024 till 1st May, we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, regarding your bosses related matter. Means your superior and your bosses at your workplace will support you in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect you will get a good promotion and increment in the year of 2024 at your workplace. Jupiter also aspect from your 4th house to your 12th house. Its own sign, Sagittarius sign, comes in your 12th house, and Jupiter will aspect your 12th house in the year of 2024 from your 4th house. So we can expect Jupiter may take you into foreign land. You may take you into foreign land in the year of 2024. Also, you need to be take care of your expenditure and your losses, because Jupiter also represents expenses, and because Jupiter represents expansion and your house of expenses and losses lord is moving in your 4th house, and from 4th house Jupiter is also expecting your 12th house. So you need to be take care of your expenses and losses. You may expend a lot in the year of 2024 before 1st May on unnecessary things because of Jupiter aspects on your 12th house. Also, we can expect great result regarding your spirituality related matter if you are interested into spirituality. After 1st May, Jupiter will move to your 5th house in the sign of Taurus. So from 5th house, Jupiter will aspect your 9th house, your 11th house, and your 1st house. So when Jupiter will aspect from your fifth house to your ninth house, then we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter, regarding your luck related matter. Jupiter on your ninth house will enhance your luck. Also, we can expect great result regarding your father's related matter, because from ninth house we also see your father and teachings of your father. Ninth house also deal with your religious knowledge. Ninth house deal with your religious inclination and your philosophical knowledge and your higher education. So we can expect good result regarding all of these matter after 1st May. But Ketu is already moving in your ninth house in the year of 2024 in the sign of Virgo. But aspects of Jupiter after 1st May will prove very beneficial for you. Jupiter will give you support regarding disturbing effect of Ketu, which you will facing in the year of 2024 before 1st May. Jupiter will also aspect your 11th house from your 5th house after 1st May. So 11th house will be your games, your elder siblings, your friend circle, your professional network circle, your hopes and wishes, and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house, and your socialism and community related matter is also seen from 11th house. So when Jupiter will aspect from your 5th house to 11th house, we can expect great result regarding your gains related matter in the form of money in the year of 2024. Jupiter will also expand your friend circle and professional network circle, because Jupiter from 5th house will aspecting your 11th house. Also, Jupiter make you famous in your community in the year of 2024. Jupiter will also aspect your 1st house from your 5th house from its ninth aspect, means your ascendant. So we can expect of Jupiter on your 1st house, we can expect great result regarding your personality related matter, regarding your fame related matter. Also, we can expect good result regarding your health, general health related matter in the year of 2024 due to aspects of Jupiter from your 5th house to your first, from your 5th house to your 1st house. Also, Jupiter will make you very smart, very genius, very quick-minded person in the year of 2024, because Jupiter from the house of mental abilities is aspecting your 1st house. Means if Jupiter is aspecting you in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May 2024. So we can expect these results from the aspects of Jupiter in the year of 2024 for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Saturn. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Saturn is your ascendant lord, and right now Saturn is moving in your 2nd house in its own sign, in the sign of Aquarius. In the whole year of 2024, Saturn will stay in your 2nd house in the sign of Aquarius. First house will be you, your personality, or overall aspects of life. Means 1st house is your ascendant. Ascendant deal with your fundamental nature, how you perceive things, how others perceive you as a person is also seen from 1st house. Your fame, your health, your general health, and your ability to do journal perception and your journal nature of your chart is seen from 1st house. Right now, your 1st house lord is moving in your 2nd house in its own sign. 2nd house will be the family, your savings, your money matters. In the savings in the form of jewelry, in the form of money, all of these things is seen from 2nd house. Your bank account, your speech, your food intake habit, and your family matter is also seen from 2nd house. So your ascendant lord is right now moving in your 2nd house, so we can expect good result regarding your savings related matter in the year of 2024, because Saturn is your ascendant lord, and ascendant lord will give you good result in your 2nd house in its own sign. Obviously, also 2nd house control your family related matter, so Saturn will give you support in your family related matter in the year of 2024. But Saturn is a naturally malefic planet. Saturn may disturb your speech in the year of 2024. You encounter a lot of bad word in your speech in the year of 2024 due to Saturn present in your 2nd house, because Saturn is naturally a malefic planet. The 2nd house deal with your speech. Also, Rahu is moving in the house of communication. That's why Saturn will definitely make you disturb your speech to some extent in the year of 2024. So you need to be take care of your speech related matter when during your argument, especially in the year of 2024, because 3rd house, because in your 3rd house Rahu is already moving. Also, Saturn will make you save a lot of money in your 2nd house, because your 2nd house lord is moving in your 2nd house, and Saturn is a slow moving planet. Saturn will slow down your saving, but Saturn will make sure you will save a lot of money in the year of 2024, because Saturn is moving in its own sign. Means right now 2nd house lord is in a strong position. So we can expect these results from Saturn in the year of 2024. Your health will be very good in the year of 2024 due to Saturn is your ascendant lord is present in your 2nd house. Also, Jupiter will aspect from your 5th house to your 1st house after 1st May 2024. That's why in the whole year of 2024 we can expect great result regarding your health related matter, regarding your personality related matter in the year of 2024. Now let's talk about aspects of Saturn. Saturn has three aspects. Saturn aspect third place is from itself, Saturn aspect 7 places away from itself, and Saturn aspect 10 places away from itself. From second house, Saturn is aspecting your third house where Jupiter is already moving. Third aspect of Saturn will give you definitely some disturbance, some hard result, because third aspects of Saturn represent hardworking, focusing. All the effort you putting in anything is represented by third aspects of Saturn. Those third aspects of Saturn in the year of 2024 will be on your fourth house. But fortunately, Jupiter is also moving in your fourth house till first May. So till first May, we can expect great result regarding your fourth house related matter. But after first May, when Jupiter will move from your fourth house to fifth house, then you need to be take care of your mother's health, your property related matter. You may have to face a lot of conveniences, and third aspects of Saturn represent inconvenience efforts. So after first May, when Jupiter will move from your fourth house, then you need to be take care of your comfort related matter, your convenience related matter, and your relationship with your mother. Saturn will also aspect your eighth house from your second house. Eighth house deal with your in-laws related matter, your secrets, your hidden knowledge, your ups and downs in life. Your sudden positive event is also seen from eighth house, sudden negative event is also seen from eighth house. So when Saturn will aspect from your second house to your eighth house, then we can expect great result regarding your sudden events related matter, because Saturn will slow down your sudden events. So Saturn will give you good result in the form of you will save from the sudden negative event, just like accident, etc., just like accident, etc., because Saturn will affecting your eighth house. So at Saturn is a slow moving planet, so Saturn will slow down your sudden negative event in your life. Also, Saturn will give you good result regarding your in-laws related matter if you are married right now, and Saturn will increase your joint account with your spouse if you have any joint account with your spouse in the year of 2024. Saturn will also aspect from your second house to your 11th house from its 10th aspect. 11th house will be your gains, your money, your incoming gains is seen from 11th house in the form of money, in the form of achievement, in the form of respect. Your community related matter, your society related matter is seen from 11th house, your friend circle, your profession network circle, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So when Saturn from your second house will aspecting your 11th house, then we can expect great result, because when Saturn will aspect your 11th house will activate it. 11th house give you gains. You will able to save a lot of money due to presence of Saturn in your second house, as we discussed previously, Saturn section. So we can expect great result regarding your gains related matter, regarding your incoming gains in the year of 2024 due to aspects of Saturn and Jupiter on your 11th house in the year of 2024. So we can expect these results from aspects of Saturn in the year of 2024 for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Rahu and Ketu. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Rahu is right now moving in your third house and Ketu is right now moving in your ninth house. First of all, we will talk about Rahu. Rahu is right now moving in your third house in the sign of Pisces. Rahu is just moved from your fourth house to your third house after 30th October 2023. Rahu represent unusual thing. Rahu represent foreign thing. Rahu represent disturbance. Rahu represent explosion. Rahu explode the significance of the houses in which Rahu is moving. So right now Rahu is moving in your third house. So Rahu will increase your communication with unwanted people, because Rahu is a naturally malefic planet and right now moving in the house of communication. Also, Rahu may indulge you into a unnecessary effort, may make you to do some unnecessary effort in the year of 2024, because Rahu is right now moving in the house of and Rahu is a naturally malefic planet. Also, you need to be take care of your communication related matter when you are dealing with your cousins, neighbors, and your loved ones, because Saturn is already moving in the house of speech and house of communication is occupied by Rahu. Both the planets are naturally malefic planets, so you need to be take care of your communication related matter in the year of 2024. Secondly, Rahu may take you into several short distance travel in the year of 2024 within a country, because Rahu is right now moving in your third house, and Rahu is also represent travel, and third house also represent short distance travel. Also, you need to guide your younger brother and sister if you have younger brother and sisters in your life, because right now Rahu is moving in your third house. Rahu may disturb their life, Rahu may disturb their education and their matters in their life. So you need to guide them as well in the year of 2024. Now let's talk about Ketu. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Ketu is right now moving in your ninth house. and Ketu is just moved from your 10th house to your 9th house after 30th October 2023. And in the whole year of 2024, Ketu will present in your 9th house. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father, your teachers, your mentors, your higher education related matter, your philosophical matters, your post-grad education, your luck related matter, your second marriage is also seen from 9th house, your religious matter, your religious inclination is also seen from 9th house. So right now Ketu is moving in your 9th house. Ketu represents spirituality and 9th house represents religion. These are the two different things. So you may have to face some difficulty regarding your religious related matter. You may encounter a lot of unusual thoughts regarding your religious purpose, your religious belief, and your philosophical matters, because Ketu work in that way in the 9th house. Ketu may disturb your philosophical views in the 9th house. Ketu may disturb the health related issues to your father and teachers and your elders in the year of 2024. Also, you need to be take care of your travel related matter, but Ketu may take you into a foreign travel, especially related to pilgrimages, related to religious matter, means you may go to pilgrimage or some spiritual place in the year of 2024. But you need to be take care of certain things which we have just discussed previously in the year of 2024 due to presence of Ketu in your 9th house. You may feel disturbed a lot of time regarding your religious belief and your education related matter due to presence of Ketu in your 9th house, because Ketu represents separation, detachment. Ketu will try to detach you from your religious belief and your philosophical views. So we can expect these results from all the planets in the year of 2024 for all the Capricorn Ascendant people.